Welcome students. How are you? Fine? Very good. Shall we recollect what we learned in our previous classes? Are you ready? Okay, very good. Who can tell me what is history? Yes, you? Very good. History is the record of progress that human beings acquired down the ages. Can you say what you know about prehistoric period? Yes, you are right. It is the period before history. There were no written records. Yes, very good. What do you know about historic period? Yes, right. It is the period after prehistoric period. There are written records about this period. Very good. Yes, students. In our last class, we learned there are several historical monuments in Kerala. Today, we are going to learn about some megalithic monuments in Kerala. Now, all of you please look into these pictures. Can you identify these pictures? No? Okay, don't worry, I will explain. These pictures are the remains related to funeral practices in Kerala during megalithic period. Do you know what is megalithic? It is a large prehistoric stone that had been used to construct a structure or monument. Now, look into this picture. This is known as Kudakalla. It's a megalithic monument found in Kerala. It's a part of old tomb. After dead body was placed in the tomb, an umbrella-shaped block was kept over there to identify the place. Because it looks like an umbrella, these are also known as umbrella stones. This is the picture of Muniera. These were burial chambers made of 4 stones placed on the edges and covered by a 5th stone called a capstone. This is Nannangadi. These were also used for burial purpose. Nannangadis are big clay jars. The body of the dead person was placed in the jar and buried in the soil. The dead man's weapons, vessels used by him, etc. were also placed in the jar along with the dead body. Historians consider 500 BC to 300 AD as the megalithic age in Kerala. These megalithic monuments provide evidence about the human life in Kerala. From the megalithic sites, many implements made of clay and iron have been discovered. How we can set up a social science museum in our school? Dear students, you can collect objects of historical importance from our home and locality like coins, palm leaves, antique lamps, old utensils, measuring vessels, household items, stamps, etc. Social Science Museum plays an important role in imparting instruction in this subject. Dear students, you are lucky that we have a wonderful Social Science Museum in our school. You can watch it when you come to school. Dear students, all of you please look into these pictures. Can you identify them? Yes. These are the pictures of some of the objects used by our forefathers in the past. Like this, there are a lot of historic remains around us. They are to be preserved for the coming generation as it will provide them with an opportunity to learn about the past. Hope you enjoyed today's class. There is an assignment for you. Collect pictures of historical sources and prepare a picture album with proper description. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. See you in the next class. Have a nice day. Thank you.